Wow, here we are at day 5. Guys, day 5 is all about stepping up and taking care of you. Now, how many of us can remember the last time we put ourselves on our calendar? It's really difficult to do, isn't it? We have so much going on with our business, with our family, with all of the responsibilities that we have, all of the many bazillion hats we wear, and we forget to take care of us. Well, today is your day. This is all about ways in which to put yourself back on your calendar, from caring for you to stopping this process of self-sabotage to finding ways in which to align your business with your cycle, to going through these female success secrets, to strategically planning your day, discovering your wowzer factor, caring for yourself when you're the caregiver, because we're all the caregiver, right? Redesigning your morning and giving yourself a makeover and igniting that spark to just take a moment and celebrate you. This is a fabulous opportunity for you to spend time on you. So a couple of things I want to remind you. These videos will be up for a 24-hour period. You want to make sure that you capture them while they are live. After that, they will go into the membership site, which is part of the All Access Pass. If you want lifetime access to the content in this summit, and you want to go into those much deeper dives that I take with every single speaker, snag your All Access Pass. There's a link below this video that will allow you to do that. And that All Access Pass begins on April 23rd, after I have time to move all of this content into that membership site just for you. There are also additional links below each video where you can connect with the speakers and you can touch base and continue this conversation. Also, don't forget to check out the Facebook group. There's a link below this video that will allow you to do that. You want to hop on over there and continue this conversation because it's a great opportunity for you to touch base with the speakers, ask me questions. You have access to me almost 24/7 in that group, but shh, don't tell anybody. Anyway, I have so enjoyed having you these past few days, and I'm super, super excited to jump into day 5, all about you. All right, guys, we'll see you inside the summit. Bye, everyone.